Hello, this is Jimmy the YouTube critic, and I'm going to critique nature. See, look around. It's all natural and crap. You know? It's like, totally like nature and crap. See, there's a trail going through nature. And, I'm going to critique nature now. My opinion of nature is that it is dumb. I don't like nature and it sucks. See, look. Look at this tree. It's all bumpy. Ew. And it's dead. I'm like, I don't like that. I don't like it when nature is dead. You know, like, look. There's another dead thing. Ew, it's a dead tree and it's been cut. It's like a stump and it's stupid. Nature is icky. Ew.